And the lawyer for the Team Legal Wife Association, lawyer Kusi Williams, wabekasa, no abetire nsemu as to why ede ma me akwa say wa eba Ghana hanom. Now say amanfo ntia say nti ma mi kura Ghana oba obeye there because for sure lumba ye kura no ama o ka say why busy uni time adwuma guo so awoye e wo Germany to wanya time ama but ye you know wait me ba Ghana oba be there amanfo ni bi ntia se the lawyer abesa to record this story obetire mu di ntia ma mi e wo Ghana hanom aha Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like video no other about subscribe button so click verification icon of latest update na be chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no say for spend your you know the last time one mama akwa say wa de ba Ghana hanom somewhere July August mu ho no mo na e ba say de number ewu no na otweda na o Ghana ha I say oba no abuzafo nyina be ka bom na otweda na kama enu achi ana say o say tia na chi akra e koye you na adwuma gu ne so I say akohwe ntotu bi e Germany ho no mo say de amanfo ma ye nchirimo e ma ye tie ase no na nti ye no nhye nyina na oni ha tituma na ye atwe ho man so court nyina de na oni ha no mo I say ba na lawyers any omo ne lawyers any the supporters papa shi ne general name e Ghana ha na omo atwe ho man so e ma no kama e wo court I say when ntimi ama Ghana eye da no wa maybe na nko be say bi obeba but wa ama any other but you know last week Friday night no and by say mama akwa say wa ba Ghana ha no I say omu ko sha na airport on Kotika International Airport fe ema from there no you say oko many places oko Kumasi eko ye meet and greet ema just say oko lawyer Kusi Boatin oko ni fie eko chia no hono mu nyina ema oko abusuafo ene ya say eko chia wo mu ene ade just say oko chia nipa titiri na ni ntiri bia say onu afili se ochia wo mu no oko ekwache e ma obeka Kumasi wono mu no na say abia more or less as a rally as a celebration kasi bi na aba na ye enjoy it because of that crowd amanfo ni bi ebufu ye anu ye say no bi ase bu kuna wuo fe na wanya kwan apa Ghana ha no mu ukun wu ya yesiri wantimi ama adwuma se mu nti wantimi ama but afia wa ba na say at least ma me panyini awonfie no kwani at least ka me ye hu bibi kakra but ase wu wani aje na wu him like sadie entwaye etin ebi mo ekeka da say show that concern later Adam got was say boba e kra no court of appeal sensem bi apiepie mu Kumasi no court go pie mu Kumasi court of appeal prior to judgment na Kumasi high court her lordship justice Dorinda Smith at Edeba no ana a concern you know who is the wife of the Dulumba at the end of the day no justice Dorinda Smith actually said Akosua Serwaa yere na odobroni's yere no mama ya say what she said there say onyintum because eba yi no ono nko an etimide marriage certificate ebe kire ye Germany certificate but just that court and antiasie court and the church said they can't rely on this certificate it no when they court na sem but ono pa there obliwe say ono nko an de lumba yere into that sem akọ court of appeal e wo Kumasi ema me bro emu nchiremu video na me de eba ye no na we say na man for still man for head antiasie na say ene de mami ebe pie mo Ghana hanom na ne court of appeals and sem no kwa na ebe kwa Kusi say lawyer Kusi Boatin abekasa no tirem say aditi 3 parent de mami ba hanom no de obedi holidays we need to for the buy
Ejusumina
of I from me of house minia e kan so abesan chirim what fast me from of house minia anyway enua na de bia enua
of fast
me pe of papa o
that's it
me pe of boko de
boko ba
afishapa
sin commentary
efie boko
boko ba
adwuma mu so boko barely a week ni anase week mu ni a wo ye active a wo ye adwuma yi minister adwuma boko de
boko pa bi e ko na akwanso
na enwuma ben na wo call Christmas na na so dai na otie wo ya na wo twene ho abaye ka Christmas kwa ntwam na wa ba office abaye ho adwuma wo ba yi wa tackle ana abaye obstacle adwuma be pa na si woni so pa so fa yi ka say wo first nwuma ana number 1
the number 1 akwa be for so de ken de Japan ba be di MPP so na di power man no wa sangan
number 2
Akosua Serwaa justice for Akosua Serwaa is number 2
number 3
Toma 3 cases aka.
Well, Abushafo, me patch obra, Angel 96.1 Kumasi Facebook. What if you now cry remote? No, I call Dejibos and so. Roger TV, a live also. Ye show pictures, visual, be a coso. Fine gentleman, yo, that's we, lawyer William Kusi, where software is a Domino Chambers, a honor pay, sabi, offer the daily bread. Na, oye, Daddy Lumba, ne Akosua Serwaa. And I make us a yiri Penyah or correctional, fine. Na yiri Penyah Akosua Serwaa, the lawyer, when in the court, corporate near Mahua, Yamenchadi, say ye, no, I caught the D or Crebiati. Lawyer, what Auruma, Brilliant Chi, na who say, O clienty, Walande, na Omushiano airport, na a baby fene, be time. And running the crowd, the quartier crown say, or bar Kumasi airport, non crofov himself before aeroplane. Minnesota 24, manufacture. It no bedu Kumasi now say, or who say, then crowford to say or Sanfa, a FMD airport. If I make one, I say me some there, say from near be some, no much saying. Because na me tear me new Akosua upon your morning show. Sabrantia, I want some man who could never be muntim poda. Or beba be cast some said who in the paper. Inti no credit mameno, what they can be free and crime. A buy, Massimo who say, Nachita for what Trempe the first airport 20 no ko wana. Na wadarumo makekabum. Ye yo kuna ye krawama. And then the man buy the hotel the ban say.
About holidays or buffy. Asako. Into a bar, just say. Amani bi also ye was in Ghana no also court or lawyer wa about also besra me senkra tabu ha ye be shumani ahwem afuto bi ameje free no in terms of facts. I'm so legal advisor mo nam some diamond and that is exactly what she came to do. So far so good. Do Accra almost of Kosra Abakumasi or church and Penyah for especially what Mujina no a brand new Ghana no. So we are in Krabi also ye be a make sure so I answer no ako. But we are was uncle near to Juma so a penny de go super high young Juma. And say a process. And you know the hands of best in San Evanas and Sans no ako. Do a Yakojina Mamma sanity.
I wish I for any Oba Penyah Akosua Serwaa, the late icon Daddy Lumba, Nere, and I Nere Penyah and an airborne commoner. Now, Oren Munyam for lawyer William Kusi, Kofara by Kofa, Dominion Chambers by the client, and now Oba walk man, and I wouldn't amamra out to Niamania Yamanon, the late Daddy Lumba, Nere, and an airborne commoner. Lawyer Wadauruma, me addition was she in China with all due respect for me. Minister Wakani. And then they see who can say over to obey for say, O Mramaya Ukuna Yinibi. Nampo Dachi Biano, since a yinachino nothing over Uncle Fuchishano. I'm out to so between say Omra, now fair be or now what in your wasam.
No, sir, you share circumstances now, the year, she couldn't have come. Because a day before the year, there was an application before the quarter. Now, Abushafo no is seeking to restrain the court from moving ahead, the head of family from moving ahead to perform the funeral. And she had that information. And we knew that circumstances, the facts before the court, the baby a court may grant it. Because at the time, no, never to apply application I call police headquarters say almost person whom they say buy a lumber free moon, which was a criminal matter. And the police actually almost can complain no more young Juma. And I was surprised. I was not surprised when initially it came to court not grant the application. No? Because we are very already. Couldn't see about the investigations. So I was more surprised when we had the judge now some friend. The lawyers involved some of them years of no proof.
Na lawyer I want no onim. Na me pe emre bi a emranim ni bi te say mumu bi. Ebeka court asem na ya nsem fata no ya bisa. Because me gina fidie so ye adwuma. Matiefo etie me be di madanse say. Ye di nkomo no an ehunu say abusua no say omo empene so nti say ni na court nye. E na court bua ye say the abusua ne kan modu. Ni senti won mo mutumi eti ye de yesese ye niam afrafie bi esu akono ye betini se ye say court say e ma okra ye frɛ ma e koba say e wo say court say si enkonya foforo na emum enya court dem wo say o ka asem foforo no e ba to minim kwa mfasa mudi mu nsem na e fa mudi asem a edimu na yin na mo tra enimu
it was a strange occurrence adia yenye court chini. So court a ma order bisa so a Fontus official which is his official capacity to pronounce on the matter and has been taken away from him. So this will be the application number or an appeal. It sounded impossible for a court to recall the parties involved, lawyers, where is his jurisdiction? The other France will be on for application metal. If you say lawyer near the application, how did they send the application? It was, and to me, it was one of the darkest days in our legal life. Say, court beat my answer, but whatever it is, now send your TNO. The time was so short for anybody to file an application. Say, your court near Niamra because there's no Kusi. And do file here before I best file na adiachi. Near several. There been a several process. And until now, if you taken good faith near ma and near my cost of sending a bear mistake, go maybe to my correcting later. And that is what happened. A strange appearance. Where the judge's opinion, the procedure was wrong. So we have situation where the judge opines like they see Kumasi during the argument, no, correct. You can go on appeal and challenge his decision. But where the assembly it's unheard of. But it happened though, and I'm happy that it has gone in the records say ABC or Ghana. How many days you had the law school?
Pepi ni yakasa. Oka wasem na kakra wi now the education tato. Minim ase sabi the oti ho a odi asem no ba no oye emranim ni a wasua de se de wasua de no. Na edenia sabi with all due respect or the common sense be kan ho. Eti wo common sense na de kan ho na ene ne de na anye pa nka be hawo.
Emranim common sense. What do I say? You have common sense in Muamra, Nyasa and Kekakofa. Continue white. Our experience will be as some common sense. Then go apply. Where you work law school, you have to tell you kind of district court, not about circuit, and not about high court. All these things is to train your mind to make legal decisions. And do the common sense could be as a more high court. I said, what?
As I'm not
Emra. You may not like it, but that is the law. You have to apply it as it is. And that is why we are challenging the decision.
Nice one. Our client, apart from holidays or buy, or adwemfoforo bi fa okunu wo ne ho ne anamon bi a wosere wo ma odi na manu 2 year court no ho ana.
Oni adwemfoforo bi aba fie besla abusia. Mekwa na me ni nhia. Yakasa ofun so to be nsa betum nsayem. Adofo ba so say na Ghana for si don. It tells you that Ghanaians disagree with the decision of the court. Ghanaians disagree with the decision of the court.
Nipa na question airport one na ma dwayem kesene na na.
Of course. No, don't bring me back and talk about that.
Nipa wo omko hia maami wo airport wo no. Ene wo mo ba yi no, wa quantify ahwe.
I'm a quantify.
There in a dozen.
The funeral, let me tell you about the relative term of the numbers. In fact, numbers, no, but that is even a lighter side of it. Because with himself, Akosua Serwaa's arrival in Ghana was uncertain. And they took just a few hours to organize those people we saw at the airport. And the advertising and Kabir. A year to the advertising, yeah, big boss. A big bubu, and so a nipama, among free districts in a zone baby. What I say? You could see how light the attendees were. So, auntie, compare every funny says, Akosua Serwaa and I just obey a year. And I just say a Kohai, Kumasa Bakobek, and some national. Yankum.
Like social media, they say, oh no, you don't pass across Ohewachi. Because social media, and I'm a nipa, you feel there's a security behind a porous.
No, correct. Now, you know, Sura above one, and your road at the end of me, or Sura above one, Obama home by Cassia Parenti. A mayor, a hunter, Senyamedoy. When him say Alibaba, me finally appeal. There were threats. My wife was living threatened. Pressure, domestic pressure. I mean, happy. I'm saying because that pressure. If it is obvious that we had a bad case, why will anybody threaten anybody? We are standing for justice, and we will get it. I'm so confident.
Lawyer. Yes, na Papa Shi cra tabi and crofo feel say a original certificate now more than a photocopy or two baby said and crofo can one. As I mean, my card is a mokuman in Baon. And no crest or the certificate biaba. Not Sanetia, Obama Kama or Mulia Kocha.
Certificate, I mean, some show. In court, we usually send the copied ones. And they did that here. And we got her to send us a certificate. And yeah, copies near the court. You now say, judges, okay, or the 2 million or so per originals. Yeah, catch a Akosua Serwaa envelope or the mail by in a cry. Yeah, the court. So originals, Nini. And we were all surprised when the judge says, office they are going baby now, and your original now. And look, the level of
Judge, who say Judge not being and say, and your original, I'm going baby.
I have who's there. Now, the document, no doubt, is you could see it's not from Ghana.
Because
your family book.
Apart from your caliber now, Ober present here, Debia, Judge Bibeka say, and yen or Obia for free baby. And I say, I will see a bisa once a me pa. Then pan a baby and manager Ben and say, I'm going free baby and your original.
I don't body. I don't know body.
Angel.
Otherwise, I mean, you know that I no, me integrity to suggest that me no go for fake documents about court. What for? What am I going to gain from it? I don't know body. Because I know sincerely that the parties, the lawyers on the other side knew it was genuine. The judge said, knew it. Now, what's your judgment? Judge, initial stages of the judgment or say evidence for say or ordinance marriage certificate from Germany, they are ultimately second one, and until the document cannot be original. Otherwise, it wouldn't sit with her decision. And I want to the making I say,
Clay.
Exactly. If she has to decide against us, then she has to say that the certificate was fake. Otherwise, there was no window for her to decide that both of them were wives. And on a lighter side, she has always sought to explain that she met them in the middle and then promoted peace. You get the point? And in the attempt to promote peace, she has to say our certificate was fake. My certificate, I can tell on authority it wasn't fake. It was original certificate from Germany. So on it, you know.
Wow. Lawyer, that's a pa. Now, what are my Ajuma Ekurawi? Abushia, SCA that Lumba, Mamre Kwanshawi, appear in Hobby Hiabu. Now,
oh, in fact, Osha in Krata, medical quarter, and your friends in the medical quarter may seek for injunction because we saw a rush to bury the body when we were talking about who is a wife and who can perform. These were the two things that the court had to address as far as we are concerned. If you can really from a process, if you they want to do a postmortem. And that the opinion is not even the rightful person to conduct the funeral. I know Yabusiafo, they had their lawyer. Maybe the status of Akosua Serwaa as a wife is what I was prosecuting. And it is as relevant today as it was when the action was taken, because I've said this, the disease is cancerous. Because the cancerous. I tell you, low, my bet spread, just say alone, you know. It is very bad for a court to look at the certificate of a country like Germany and say that, fake. Couldn't say in diplomatic circle, that country can also say they won't accept any certificate from Ghana because of that decision. And I will be irresponsible if I sit down for that to happen. And what I can do is to prosecute an appeal, which will probably look at it differently and say that, oh, it was an original certificate. Because German certificate, the idea, one social media, people were posting this. There were no signatures of the parties on the certificate. And it will conclude that because the Akosua Serwaa about the certificate signature, no, the almost sign. Everything we said was true, except that they had to refuse it in order that they can create peace in court. But it is tried knowledge to be worried under German, or to be worried second wife. I don't know, I ABC. So to succeed in doing that, they have to say, we couldn't lead evidence to show so what Germany. But Mamma Kazam, so one, the representative, your Dobroni court. In his evidence was see Lumba Kachum so worry or Germany. Nadana more worry no. Ye bizarre was saying, oh, now I didn't break it down beyond record. One kasi were good no. I break the records are there for people missing proceedings, especially almost criticizing it. No. They should look at the proceedings and know exactly what happened. They admitted Lumba had told them on 2 occasions that he was married in Germany. And then Bizarre said, did you look at the certificate of divorce? Obviously, they didn't. And I'm saying, oh, I'm 419. That's the trend of the cross-examination. That if you knew somebody was married under German law, that's about you have to ask for a decree of divorce. Otherwise, it could happen that the marriage was still subsisting. You get the point? So, to me, there was evidence overwhelming. Akosua Penyah says that he wasn't there when they were married, he wasn't there when they were divorcing. To them, who has MDR. Although Brony witnesses there, Lumba Kachrom say, our dinner a good one customer could teach them. What do I say? And so there was even evidence, apart from the issue of certification and all. I say Mranama Kwanso Jitum, even though there was no certification. Until we are confident. And yes, Lumbanani and Bessie, and I ain't be and through Dobro, but we want the truth. What do I say?
That's all. Or say, na enye the legend Daddy Lumba, what wono ye see no, and I have one. And no money or Dobroni soon near Sembia, name mum no cray, was nothing but the truth shall set you free. Kinokrana Penwa.
Alibaba.
Papa.
When you say so, who else you put it over a sample and a woman. And we are very sensitive and mindful about that. We are not irresponsible. But you see, marriage, a big institution. Every society, marriage, media society, break it down. Yeah, and Yali so-called worry, and by a month, the second one. We should respect that.
Sure.
Obaso worry too, Amania, what the old warrior, which is some man boss. I can focus the year for Ebro. Muslims, for I can afford to can marry more than 4. Once it is under customary marriage. Why? Who is compelling them to marry under those ordinance laws so that they can marry? Who is compelling them? If you make a choice, you should live by it. You can't get the court to say, I don't respect your certificate because it has not been certified, when the facts are quite obvious. And what do we do in court? Justice.
Of course.
The truth is very important. You can't gloss over it. And you see, we refer to the judge, say, the Supreme Court has several said, the court should not rely on technicalities and for them to defeat justice. It is so when the facts are there, you don't say, when the law has given a caveat, say a certified crana, that's a mreni who are moving to. We took 8 days to hear a complete case. Ghana, what to be that the 8 days at the case that we wanted to cooperate with the judge to come to the end before the funeral, which we did. And you see that we have been quiet about the judgment. Because you're appealing, he has ever commented too much. We go to the course of appeal. We only come in when people are blaming, trying to blame us. They are perfect work within that short time. Penyah lawyers, organ do 5. The lawyer
I don't know.
Last week, a friend is Frimpong. I'm not Frimpong.
Yeah, lawyer not Frimpong.
Mr. Ona now, social media, so to I am pure, so 70.
What in the middle?
Because yeah, so I'm a classmate.
Okay, she's okay.
I'm a classmate.
Law school and basic.
Law school.
Well, okay.
Oh no, I jurisprudence because no makola. Any jurisprudence.
It's not the
okay. To be say warina or say for 15 years on yet. I mean, and you see the facts he was narrating was he was threatening the law because you see they were ordinary resident in Germany or Bani Okunu or Ma Echo School or Majuma or Mufi or and a man no yes or Bagana one I deserted in your Wawadi. Wow, Ufria if you have Bagana no. Or Bano to Germany I desert. How can anybody even have that level of reasoning? Unless we have anybody. And if the judge says that we desert Lumba, I mean, why? 1 + 1 identify for now. Maybe no what you German nationals. No one free Germany about Ghana. Also, me my desert. I did a logic. But the judge was bold to make all these comments. Instead of saying Lumba deserted the woman, probably that would have been a light better. Oh, Lumba deserted. There was a desertion. It was Lumba who deserted. Not the other way around. So, but they made all these commentary and people like not cheap.
I need Jim Kwaso, a Chevini could be a Lumba Dakaso. Na Yebekin kind, Nipim Newola. Then you're meaning come out client, Akosua Serwaa, me imagine American. Rebecca saying, Obesa court to be there, Panama Jeffrey court after weighing nation.
Medical court according to the prove it.
Say, Niamana, Lumba, be a wire willa. Niama or the Ama Ubeko court I could prove it. Okay, maybe say more lawyers here and we have money and kukum.
So far, we'll be a unity.
Na me can say, Kobase, a Chinabia could be so not the all can your clients now, the all can be your clients and one. A dear being a cawope. Obepase, best I reverse your yeni view.
Rabbi, the same guys are missing interest were yen. What has it? The same interest were yen. Can say, court unkase, na Lumba, Yere, Brow, or Tiasi.
Okay.
But no one, ma. I won't. And I can't. And I saw anything. No, in our dear emperor. What do you say?
Solomon has no wives and concubines. The concubines now anymore.
I'm not to judge whether it was wrong for him to have taken a concubine. No, I'm not judging on that. You get the point. What I'm saying is that the law is that Lumba was married to Akosua Serwaa and no other person. Because the man is over there and the ordinance doing the second one. So for your mistress.
Lawyer William Kusi. Lawyer. A rather man was Shania Koshewai.
Amen. We shall not pay down.
Amen, Miss Medasi Pa Mofa. Na a rade of one Moses. Be resolute. Not defended, the women say right. Radin count. Chamin, you are wonderful.
Hi, Penyah broke media. Bet much the word. I'm a comment section.